Imagine you're starting your first day as an HVACR apprentice. You step into a busy workshop full of tools, wires, and heavy equipment. There's one thing you need to know right away: your safety is a top priority. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, is the federal agency that makes sure every workplace, including HVACR job sites, is safe. Employers are required by law to give you the training, equipment, and environment you need to work without unnecessary risk. When you follow safety procedures and speak up about hazards, you're not just protecting yourself, you're following OSHA's mission to keep all workers safe.